Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to enhance your Divi post or page templates by adding the post updated date using Divi's dynamic content feature. Divi's dynamic content is an excellent tool for incorporating post-specific details into your designs. It even allows you to display the post created date easily. However, if you've ever wanted to display the post-updated date, you may have noticed there's no direct option for it in the default settings. Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add the post-updated date to your design quickly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to keep your readers informed or just want to add a layer of professionalism to your website, this is the perfect option. So let's get started. To add the post-updated date in Divi's dynamic content, we can use a tool called Divi Dynamic Content Extended. This is a powerful extension that adds several new features to Divi's dynamic content capabilities, including the ability to easily display the post-updated date. With this tool, the post-updated date becomes a selectable option in the dynamic content menu, allowing for seamless integration into your page or post designs. It's a simple and effective way to ensure your site always reflects the most up-to-date information. In the next steps, we'll walk through how to use this extension to display the post-updated date on your site. Let's dive in. To begin, navigate to the post or page in your WordPress admin area where you'd like to add the post-updated date. Once there, click on the Edit with Divi button. This will open the page in the Divi Builder, where you can start customizing your layout and adding the dynamic content. Now that you're in the Divi Builder, the next step is to open the settings for the module where you want to add the post's last modified date. For this example, we'll use a text module. Locate the text module in your design and click on its settings icon, which looks like a little gear. This will open the module settings, allowing you to customize its content and add dynamic elements like the post's updated date. Next, you'll need to locate the specific setting where you want to add the post updated date. Once you find it, hover over the field, and you'll notice a small icon appear. It looks like a database symbol. This is the dynamic content icon. Click on it, and it will open the dynamic content menu, where you can select from a variety of options. Let's move on to the next step. At this point, the dynamic content menu should now be visible. From here, you can scroll through the available options until you find Post Updated Date. Once you locate it, simply click on it to select it. This tells the module to dynamically display the date when the post was last updated. It's a quick and effective way to bring up-to-date information right onto your page design. Let's continue to finalize the setup. At this stage, you should now see that your selected field has been updated to display the post's last updated date. The preview will reflect this by showing the exact date the post was last modified. This is a great way to ensure your audience knows they're viewing the most current version of your content. If everything looks good, you're ready to move forward. If you'd like to add a personal touch to your post-updated date display, such as adding custom text before or after the date, here's how you can do it. First, locate the dynamic content field where you've added the post-updated date. Next to it, there's a small settings icon. Click on this icon to open the dynamic content field settings. This is where you'll have the flexibility to customize the display and make it more in line with your page's style or message. Let's explore what you can add. If you'd like to personalize how the post-updated date appears, you can add custom text before or after the date using the dynamic content settings. For example, you might want to add something like updated before the date. To do this, simply type the text you want to include in the appropriate field within the dynamic content settings. This small customization can help make the updated date stand out and align it with the tone of your site. Go ahead and tailor it to fit your style. Once you've added any custom text or adjustments to the dynamic content settings, the next step is to save your changes. To do this, simply click on the Save button. This ensures that your modifications, like any added text or formatting, are applied and ready to display on your site. Once saved, you're one step closer to completing your setup. Once you've made all your adjustments, it's time to save the module settings. To do this, simply click on the Save button within the module settings. This step ensures that all the changes you've applied, including the post-updated date and any custom text or formatting, are now locked in and ready to display. Saving here is crucial before moving on. So go ahead and click that Save button. Now that you've saved the module changes, the final step is to save the entire post or page. To do this, click the Save button in the Divi Builder. This will ensure that all of your modifications, including the post updated date, are successfully applied to your design. Once saved, head over to the front end of your site to preview the changes. Navigate to the page you just edited, and you should see the post's last modified date displayed exactly as you set it up. The date will appear according to your WordPress settings, so it matches the rest of your site's style. And that's it. You now have a dynamic, automatically updated display of the post-updated date in your Divi design. Great job. And that's it. You've successfully added the post-updated date to your Divi module using the Divi Dynamic Content Extended feature. By following these steps, you've not only enhanced your page design, but also ensured that your audience stays informed with the latest updates. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.